Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys exactly how to scan a QR code from WhatsApp on your Android device. So let's get right into it. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Make sure you got the QR code handy, whether it's on your screen or printed somewhere. Now tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of WhatsApp to open the menu. And then tap on Settings from the drop-down list. This is where you can manage devices connected to your WhatsApp account, but it's also where the QR code scanner is located. You'll see an option to scan QR code. Tap on that. Then select on scan code on the top. From here you can scan any QR code you want from the WhatsApp. And that's it. Now you know how to scan and use QR codes on WhatsApp and add contacts. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.